So here's how you can allow camera access on a Snapchat on your Android phone. So let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you are first time on a Foxtecc channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and similar videos like this one. Okay, so the point is that you download the app from the App Store. The Snapchat is installed on your Android phone. And then when you get inside, it should ask you if it allow the camera access or not. But if you somehow click it this way or whatever happens, you can go to the Settings app where you can find the Apps section. This is the place where every single installed app has its own settings menu, so scroll through it. It's part of the, as it's all in alphabetical order, so you should find the app right away in here. And when you get inside, you can manage the permissions. So plenty of different ways how you can control it. So you can see we have the camera, microphone, photos, and even more. So it is up to you to decide how much you allow the app to access. But the camera is definitely right here, and you have three options when you click on it. See the don't allow, ask every time, and allow while using. So these are the options which you can pick between. Most people, myself included, have the allow only while using the app. So it just means that every time I open up the Snapchat, the camera works and I can capture whatever I want. Some people would prefer the ask every time. So, you open up the app and a Snapchat is basically just for capturing photos and videos. So it would literally ask it every single time you open the app if you allow the camera or not. So if you wish it to be that way, then choose this option, or you can click on a don't allow. So this is how it works. I hope I was able to explain the whole way it functions on the Android. If you have any further questions, let me know about those below. It's possible I'll make more videos about that. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.